CSU Plus allows you to request books that are not available at the Cal State East Bay libraries from any of the other 22 CSU campuses. This is a free service to you, and books arrive in usually about a week or so. It's a bit longer than normal now because of changes in library operation across the CSU system due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. This short video shows you how to use CSU Plus. If you have a title for a book that you want to see if we have, you can simply use the one search box on the home page. Let's say we want to see if we have a copy of Pachinko. In our results list, we can see that there are articles about this, but not the actual book. Even if we add the author's name, notice in resource type, we still don't have the book. So we can click on the All CSU Plus Collections link under Show Results to redo our search across all the CSU libraries. This brings us back a link for the book, and we can click into the record and click Show Libraries to see if other campuses have the book. We can then click Sign in for more options to log into the account to request the book. You'll get this pop-up, and you'll want to select Login with your NetID if you are a student, faculty, or staff member at East Bay. And you just enter your NetID and password to log into the system. We can now click the Request from CSU Plus link. Notice that it will take longer, 1 to 3 weeks for delivery. If we click it, we then have our delivery options here. We can deliver it to the library and select either Concord or Hayward, or ship to me, and you can enter your address for us to ship the book to you. Click Request, and this will submit your request for the book. You will receive an email when your book is ready to be picked up or has been mailed to you. If you have any questions or trouble requesting a CSU Plus book, please contact the library. We're here to help, and we hope you have a great rest of your day.